Welcome to another episode of the Mic Minute. Now that you have your ring set up, I'm going to show you how to manage those rings with the ability to monitor, whisper, and barge ongoing phone calls. Here's how you do it. You get 3 key features: monitor calls, whisper, and barge. To monitor a call, click on My Rings. Now scroll down to the crowd that you wish to monitor. Click the drop down that says Ring Members. From this screen, you'll see a monitor button appear when there's a call that's active. Click that monitor button and you'll be brought into the call.
Thanks for calling Cutco Online Sales. This is Ashley. How can I help you?
Hi, Ashley. This is Louis. I was wondering if you could please explain the Cutco lifetime guarantee.
Hey, Louis, sure. Give me just one moment to look that up for you, okay?
Sure, no problem.
Hey Ashley, this is Mike. So the lifetime guarantee includes free replacements and knife sharpening for life.
Our lifetime guarantee includes free replacements and knife sharpenings.
Oh, okay, that's great. And now, is there a limit to how many knives I can send in per sharpening request?
Hey Louis, just going to barge in on this call here. So my name is Mike. I'm the regional sales manager at Cutco. Listening into the call, and I wanted just to hop in to answer that question for you. So yes, there is actually a limit of 40 knives per sharpening request.
Oh, great. Hello, Michael. I really appreciate that. I am ready to go ahead and place my order.
Okay, great news. In that case, I'm going to hand the call back over to Ashley, and she's going to help you with that order.
Great. Thank you so much.
Pretty simple, right guys? All right, stay tuned for more how-to videos coming soon.